Hello everyone, this is Dr. Poonam from SLC Women's Ayurvedic Clinic. I practice Ayurveda and my interest paths are cosmetology. So today is Women's Day. First of all I wish you all a very happy Women's Day, and on this happy occasion I would like to share a small topic which is described in Ayurveda, and which is obviously very close to a woman's heart, and that is nothing but apart from aesthetic treatments, which is Lepa Chikitsa, Mukha Lepa. Again a very small topic from Lepa Chikitsa, that is Mukha Lepa, sub part of it are taken. So the face masks, as we routinely call it, Ayurvedic granthas explain Mukha Lepas in a various forms. Mostly all of them are in the powdered form and very easy to apply. The benefits of these lepas is that these are in a powdered form. They are 100% natural. They have no preservatives in it because they are always freshly prepared. Granthas advise to prepare the face packs freshly. Sometimes twice or thrice application of face packs daily basis is advised. Still, it's not allowed to prepare the 3 times face pack at once and store in a fridge. It's always advised to prepare a single face pack application at a time freshly. And the mediators are nothing but water, milk, like goat milk is advised, desi cow milk is advised, curd, buttermilk, honey, and sometimes desi cow ghee is also advised. So all these ingredients are easily available at home. The benefit of this chikitsa is you can do it very easily at home if you are working from home or working at home. Again, you can combine this chikitsa with your afternoon rest time, afternoon lap, which is nothing but Devasva, which is allowed in Grishma Ritu according to Ayurvedic Ritucharya. So in this upcoming summer, this face mask is very easy to apply. It will give you so many benefits, and you can adjust the timing also with your afternoon rest. Also in this upcoming summer season, it's going to give you hydration, cooling effects, refreshing, also enhancing the skin health. Obviously it will enhance the quality or the results of the skin products that you are going to use after removal of this face pack. It means it's preparing the skin to get the further treatment and get the benefits of further treatments more and more. It will improve the effectivity of the further treatment also. It reduces the aging factor. It fights with melasma. It fights with dark spots, post acne marks, acne, and also there are specific face packs, the Mukha Lepas, for glowing skin, for fairness of skin, for melasma, for reducing the roughness of skin, that is polishing effects, and again rejuvenation is also achieved. These face packs are beneficial to a woman's face because 100% of the required medicinal product is available. All the medicinal contents are in 100% form, not like 10% of the required medicine is contained, not like 5% of the content is added in this face pack. It's not like that. The face packs are prepared with the pure medicinal powders, so you'll get the benefits more than the preserved products. These are easy to carry, travel friendly, because all are in powdered form, and only the mediator part is to be mixed with it, which will be available at anywhere, like water is at least available anywhere. Advice should be taken before its usage, like how much thickness should be kept. is it to be applied in a warm stage or in a cool stage, whether to apply it twice daily, once daily, or weekly, or twice weekly. It is to be, the advice should be taken by the doctor. It should be considered that you should check your skin conditions and your skin type before using these face packs. Benefits are so much, and you will get its benefits after using it for the long term. Even if it's a long term use, it's a skincare routine. So consider it as a part of skincare routine for the healthy glowing skin, with improving your skin health and getting the benefit of it eventually as the beautiful skin. Thank you.